So find the, well, the third question again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Find the main amount hospital had paid, and in the wrong side lawsuit, run your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay, so if you guys go to that Excel sheet,
Mm-hmm.
click on the E column.
On the E?
Yeah, just on any of them.
Wrong site or wrong? Are we doing wrong site or wrong patient?
Well, the question was.
Well, it's the amount of loss.
Side.
Okay, wrong site. So I've got it as column A.
Okay. Oh, I just wanted you guys to click on E.
Okay.
And then when you click on E, hit the equal symbol.
Yeah.
And then hit Shift A.
Okay, just a moment. Equal symbol.
Or you just have to make sure that you have a capital A, and then it'll give you a list of commands for Excel. And you just need to click on the average.
Okay.
And then you go over to the very first cell where it says wrong site. Not the wrong site cell, but like the first number. And then you click on that cell. And then you don't let go of the click, and then you just scroll all the way down until you get through all of them.
Now we might have to, it might ask us more questions about this. And so if we put these numbers into the other document that was part of the lesson, then it'll just give us all of these numbers. That descriptive Excel spreadsheet, there's already a spreadsheet that will calculate all of these things. The mean, the percentiles, everything.
So I saw that, but I couldn't get access to it. Where did you find it?
Oh, there.
That I will have to look and see. Where did I open that from? I think it's just
average.
Let me look. Okay. Okay. So in the book under lesson 3,
okay,
if you scroll down under, I think it's the first histogram. So under step 3, there's going to be a box, a blue box that says Excel instructions.
Oh my gosh, there it is.
And so, yeah, if you click on that there, it actually takes you to another page inside the book. And there are 3 Excel spreadsheets.
Okay.
And
yeah.
so you can download it there and open it.
So I have them all, right, from last time. And
oh, okay, good.
I was trying to have Evelyn get it, but I couldn't find it. So
right.
On my last time, the teacher had it in the resource tab on content.
Oh, okay.
But here it wasn't there, and I was like, where the heck was it? And then, yeah, it was on the book.
Yeah, sorry. I thought it was in, because I read it at the beginning, like a week ago, and then I couldn't find it anymore. So I'm very sure that I found it someone.
Okay, then forget what I just told you. You're going to get the same number, but just click on that, highlight them all, and then go.
Highlight all the numbers on which column? A, all.
In A, because A is the wrong site. And that's what I'm asking about.
Okay, then you go Command C or Control C for Windows.
Wait, let me just go to, because I was enabling because it was enabled now. So wrong side, right? Oh, yeah, wrong side. Yeah. So.
Did you get them all in?
And So what I need to do is just copy all of them and copy in column E, or
So
the
you'll
average at
copy
the
in
end.
column A of the quantitative descriptive statistics. So have you opened up the quantitative descriptive statistics Excel spreadsheet?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So yeah, under lesson 3 in that Excel box, the blue
Yeah.
box.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, I got that. And then quantity descriptive statistics, that one.
Yes. Yeah.
Because it's also unit 3, but it's unit 1, I guess. Yes, because there are 4 only. Yeah. There you go. Oh, there you go. Yes. And then we need to copy all the data on there.
On column A.
Okay.
So just highlight all of column A and then go Control C.
Yeah, I understand then. Now I understand. I didn't know you were talking about beginning. All right. Column A, Control C. And there you go.
Wait, you're pasting into column A, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There. Oh, that's not let me out because it's enable editing. Yeah. It's not gonna let me do it unless I do that. All right, there you go. Now. All right. Sorry, guys. There you go.
Fine.
Got it.
Okay, what's your number, Evelyn?
Well, what I got is main 8. Yes.
You can just say the numbers. 800.
041.
Okay, perfect. We did it right.
Okay.
Yes.
So
and then we round to
round.
To the nearest whole dollar. Okay.
So that was 80041, right?
Yeah, I will say 41. Yeah, because it's below 5. Yes.
Yes. All right, hit save, Evelyn. Just kidding.
Okay. Gosh, I don't know what happened before. Okay.
So this is what I thought. So now these next questions are just going to be from what we just did.
Right. In the
median amount.
Okay.
So for the median amount, we just go back to that same Excel spreadsheet and then go down to where it says median.
All right.
Okay, slow down, Chris. That's too fast, Christina. What's going on? Just kidding.
Median.
Yes.
That's Q1, right?
No, it actually says median.
It's an well.
So under the numerical descriptive statistics, the first one says mean, but then like the 6th one says median, and that's the number we're looking for.
Oh, Christina, if I have to take off, it's because just for a second, it's because my baby's sleeping in the other room. So if he's crazy, I gotta go calm him down. But okay, so and then the same thing for standard deviation, but we have to round to the nearest whole dollar.
So what number did you guys get for median?
I got 68,552.
Perfect.
And it has all number, like, so it doesn't, we don't have to round it up or down.
And so then the standard deviation.
Okay.
Oh, did you hear about President Nielsen?
Oh, yeah. It was very surprising.
Did you guys watch it?
I didn't watch it, but I hear it.
Yeah, I always felt like Elder Oaks was gonna, I don't know.
Yeah, I thought that too. See, I wasn't the only one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know President Eyring, though, man, he's been there for like
I know. He's doing the President Hinckley thing. He's going to be in there forever.
Present the survival times and months. Survival times.
Okay, but real quick, so what did we get for question 5? What's the answer there? What did we get? I just want to confirm that we all have the same one.
Yes. Let me go back here.
I have 71,404.
Good, yeah, 714.
I can.
71404.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. For question 5.
Yeah.
The median. The median was 68. Oh.
No.
Oh,
Question
no.
5.
Question
Standard deviation.
Just a minute. No, I didn't get that one. I got it backwards. Okay. Sorry. So which one was a mediation? Sorry. I got that.
So question 5 is standard deviation.
Okay. So yeah, 70. Yeah, that's the same number. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's 04 because it's rounded up, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're all on the same page. Okay. Let's see. So we're ready for question 6?
Yes.
So what's the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients?
I got a 7.
That hospital is horrible.
Oh
Sorry. I work in a hospital, so.
Yeah.
Okay. 7? Where do you got that from?
So did you okay, so we got the data in, right? You put a 5, 19, 1, and a 3 on the spreadsheet.
I got the QQ plots and versions. No.
No. You go in the same histogram and descriptive stats. You just erase all the data and now just put in a 5, 19, 1, and 3.
So where I put wrong side, I just erase everything and put.
Yeah.
No.
Or you can just add them up and divide by 4 since there's 4 numbers.
Well, I guess, yeah. I didn't even think to use a calculator. What are we turning into, guys?
I know.
We're just dependent on technology like that.
Okay. So that will be 7, right? You say?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we need to erase all of the columns now and then put the other data that they are going to give us now, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. There you go. Okay. So next question. How many do we have?
What is the median?
16. What is the median?
Did you guys get a 4?
Yes.
Yeah. How do we get all those numbers? Okay, I just need to study more, I think.
Yeah,
No.
It's going to be the middle number.
Yeah, I know it's getting there, but how do I get those numbers?
So you're on the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
And did you erase all of the?
Yeah, I erased all of that, and then I got 1, 2, 4.
Or you got 5, 19, 1, and 3.
The first column. Oh, okay, because I put it on the top. Yeah.
Okay, and just make sure that you close the other spreadsheet, the one that had the data for the first question. You can just get out of that spreadsheet.
Okay.
Wrong site, wrong patient spreadsheet.
Okay. Yeah, all right. So what do you got for this number 7? 4, right?
Median 4, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So we are now doing it by hand. Okay, so for the next few of them, it says if you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. So column 1, data observed, column 2, and column 3. Okay.
Do we have that table already there? Or
So yeah, so we can't use, there's no Excel spreadsheet for this one. But
yeah, I can just use one in here.
Okay, so it looks kind of confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. What you do is you add the 5, 19, 1, and 3, all of them, add them up, and then you divide them all by 4.
Right. Well, you get the mean, which we got from question 7 or 6.
No, we're doing it by hand, Christina. Just kidding.
Well, I'm saying.
Okay, so then to get the deviation, all we do is we do, for A at least, for that first one, you just do 19 minus that 7 that we got. Right?
So, and then in the beginning of the quiz, say that we need to turn in some of the member of the group has to turn in the spreadsheet. So if you, I don't know who is keeping the sheets. That's why I didn't want to close it, but whatever we are doing, keep it. At the beginning, say one of the member of the group will have to turn in the spreadsheet from all of the results.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I just read it somewhere. Disseminate.
Because we do this in the preparation.
Okay. I just read it in some part of the assignment, but I cannot find it anymore. Of course, now I can't find it. Well, okay, just in case does somebody keep it, so if we need to turn it in, we can do that.
I'll turn them in if I find it and turn it in. I'll be looking for it after the call.
Okay. Yeah, and
I'll go back and do the last question and turn this in. So.
Okay.
I can recreate it.
So any of you hear from Megan? Kind of concerned. Hope she's okay.
I know. I hope. Yeah, I sent her a little message after we got off our first call, just thinking, to keep trying to touch base. I don't know.
Well, she'll have a link to these videos, so she'll have to watch them all so that she's caught up.
Right.
So it's a good thing we're being thorough.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so are we all on question 10 now? Or
so the number 8. Yeah, it's just
okay. So for number 8, to get what the value of A would be in that table, if you see on the top there, the table has like a observed data has an X, and then deviations from the mean has an X minus X bar. And then the squared deviation from the mean is just the last cell, but you square it. So they give you the data for column 1. So then to get that A value, you just have to take X, which is 19, minus X bar, and then X bar represents mean. So to get the mean, you just have to take 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3, and then that total you divide by 4, and it gives you a 7.
Oh, but
which is what we did in that last question. But
yeah, that's what I was confused.
That's what I did in that.
I got the same answer before.
Then 7 or 19 minus 7 is 12. Did you guys get 12?
For
number 8?
Yes.
Perfect.
-12.
Oh, she's there?
-12.
Oh, I thought you said Megan is.
No, it's a -12.
But it's 19 minus 7.
No, it's 7 minus 19. So the mean, you subtract everything from the mean.
Oh. So this up here on column 2 on the table.
Am I doing it wrong? No, I think you're right. I did it backwards. Nope, I was wrong. You're right. It's 19 minus 7. Okay.
Here, let me.
Good. Glad I asked. Thank you. I'm glad you asked. No, you're right. Deviation from the mean. Yeah, I did that backwards.
Security.
Okay. You guys are worrying me. Did I do it wrong?
No, you did it right. The deviation from the mean.
I'm all looking in the book.
You subtract the mean from the data. So you're right.
Okay. So then.
Basically, so column 2 would look like, if we did the whole thing, -2, +12, -6, and -4.
Could you repeat that? Which column, sorry?
So in column 2, if we finish the whole column, because we'll need to finish the whole column in order to do the very last question.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, so you do 5 minus 7, which is -2. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Right, and then 12, and then -6, and -4.
Okay. That's
right.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I'm saying everything I did. Okay, good.
Okay, so then for the row that has a 1, it would be 1 minus 7, which is -6, and then -6 squared is a 36.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? So then on the book, the equation for that standard deviation was wait.
So if you fill in column 3, which is squaring each of the numbers in column 2.
Right.
And then you add them all together to get the sum.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Your baby woke up?
He did, but I just kind of stayed quiet and he went back to sleep.
Good. That is a dream come true.
Okay, so 7, 2.
Do we have the numbers for the third column?
Plus 36 plus Did you guys get a 200?
Yes.
Oh, no, I messed it up. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I just put a minus there. It was like,
So
I finally figured it out because I was trying to do all the spread. I mean, I did a column, another table in the Excel. I did a table, and I was doing the same thing you were doing. But yeah, I figured it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so then once we have the sum, then we have to divide that by n minus 1, n being the number of data items. So it would be 200 divided by 3. Pretty sure I got that one right. I mean, I think I remember that. What's that?
66. Oh.
I got
Right.
Yeah, 66.66.
Yeah, so it would be 67, right?
But no, so this time in the lesson anyway, they rounded it to 3 decimal points. So I did 66.667.
Oh, okay. 667, okay.
Well, I guess their final answer is that. And then, so once we have that, that's the variance. But in order to get the standard deviation, this variance number is actually squared. It's not in the same units, it's in the square units. So that has to be then, you have to take the square root of that number.
Okay.
Wait, you have to take the square root or square it?
You have to take the square root of it because 66.667 is already squared because all of the numbers up above are squared. We squared them in column 3.
So you get 8.16, so 8.2.
Well, I think we're supposed to take it out as many decimal places as we can. That, I mean, at least in the lesson, that's how they had it. They had it out to.
On the quiz, it says give your answer in months rounded to the nearest 10th.
Oh, perfect. I wasn't even looking. I guess I should have looked at what they asked, huh? Oh, yeah. So the nearest 10th. So 8.16. No, that's 100th. 8.2.
Yeah, there are a lot of questions. The 5 summary home patients.
Okay. Go back to that spreadsheet that had the wrong site or the wrong patient thing. And we have to use the wrong patient data.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So you had all boys, Christina?
Yes, 3 boys.
Was that awesome?
Yes, I love it. I've never had girls, but I'm really just fine with my boys. I never really wanted girls. So I got what I wanted.
There you go.
That's nice.
Wait, how old are they?
They are 22, 20, and 16. Yeah, that's right.
You still have a high schooler?
Yes.
One more prom then, still in.
Well, he's only 16, so I've got a couple of those.
Oh yeah.
He's a sophomore actually. So he just turned 16 because he has a December birthday. Here we have Mormon proms. We have what's called Mormon prom. We don't do the school prom thing. And yeah, so there's a girl that he's going to be asking to the Mormon prom in May. So he's excited about that.
Are the school proms too crazy or?
Yeah, they're really bad. We don't go to school dances or anything like that. They're not good.
You'd think the public school system would be a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, they're half the time I think that they have it at hotels just to make it more convenient for the kids to stay the night.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
I hear about that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what happens. So we don't get involved in that.
No.
Okay.
So what is the second number? Oh, sorry.
Mean number?
So what is the first number?
The first number.
Okay. So that's 0, right?
Yeah. Minimum 0.
Wait. The 5-number summary isn't mean, standard deviation,
Variance, minimum.
The 5-number summary is well, let me double check, but I think it's minimum, Q1, median, Q3, max.
You're right. So it's towards the bottom by the area where it has the Excel instructions. Anyways, it says minimum, the first quartile, second quartile, and the third quartile. Oh, and
the maximum is the 5th number, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, we are just cruising. 0. Second is the first Q. 39. 100. The fourth is not the median, but it's the Q3.
Right.
That's so confusing.
Okay, perfect.
Rounded to the nearest cent.
Did you guys just have 0.5 at the end of Q3?
So I put 0.50.
Okay.
Dollars.
Save. All right. It says Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the US. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spend making a decision in which movies to rent at the Redbox. Man, I would have taken like 20,000 seconds.
I know. I take forever. I make a phone call. I do all kinds.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, everybody, wait. I gotta choose between these.
Oh, okay. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot.
Box and whiskers. Okay, what is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Okay, so you have a minimum, which is really far up there. Or no, minimum is close to.
Right. So this is kind of turned sideways from.
Right. So it goes minimum at 0, and then there's a first quartile.
50. maybe? No.
Yeah, the first quartile is probably 50.
Okay, and then we have the second from 50 to 100, and then, or sorry, that's the median, right?
It's going to be like
it's 110 or 105
or something. Yeah. And then the third quartile, 180, 190.
Oh, that's the most difficult to calculate.
I know. The other one's
jerks.
Give an estimated number.
I'd say it's 180 or 190.
Yeah, definitely.
Hey,
185. There you go.
185.
185.
That sounds good.
There's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, estimated numbers.
Ezekiel.
720.
Okay, the longest observed is the maximum. 720.
What do you think? 720?
Done. That would have been me.
Yeah, 715.
Okay, based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean? So is the mean the two boxes there?
So the mean is going to be
The middle one.
average. So it says based on the box plot. I moved. Based on the box plot, what would be the average? The median is the middle line, but the mean is going to be the average overall. So what? 350?
But it's give you options in there. No.
So the median.
Oh, wait.
Okay, so if you guys see the book, if you guys go to lesson 3 book, it's gonna be, if you scroll down to the very bottom of the chapter, there's a red box. It says remember. But then right above it, it says what each thing is.
Right, but mean isn't on there.
But it says the mean, median, and mode are measures of center of distribution. The mean is the most common measure of center and is computed by adding up the observed data and dividing by the number of observations in the data.
So it's the average. But
So,
we don't have any numbers to divide by. I guess if let's see.
We could do what our answer was for the previous one and add it to this one and then divide by 2. I don't know.
I mean, well, no, that's a good point. I mean, we can figure out what each of those numbers are and then divide by 5.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, this is a multiple choice one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Why
reasonable?
I was just
oh my gosh.
Why you guys are dividing?
How funny.
I was just saying, I maybe in the wrong question. I was totally okay. See, that's
okay. We could say cannot be determined, or
I think it can't be determined.
105. Nope. It's 60 some is too little, and 180 something was on the upper end of.
The one that we calculate was we were close. 185 was close to 187. We actually were very close. Right on. Yeah.
Yeah, I think those are the quartiles right there. I would say it can't be determined.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, save all responses.
Okay, I'm going to submit.
Okay. The moment of truth. Chan, chan, chan.
Did we completely just mess up on this one? Good thing we get another turn.
No, guys, we're good.
Nice.
We're good.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, so I will stop broadcasting and send you guys a link to this video for you guys to upload for the other discussion.
Okay, so we don't need to sign in, or we don't need to turn in any sheets for this group, right?
I don't think so. I didn't see anything. I'm gonna be going through all the instructions again as I check off things on the lesson, but I haven't seen anything like that.
Okay. I'm sorry. I read it somewhere, but probably was.
No, and it could be another class, or it could be
Yeah.
in a future thing. Who knows? I don't trust my brain either at this point. There's too much information from other classes. So yeah.
Thank you so much. And if you need help with psychology, let me know. I took that class last semester.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's
okay.
Fun. So
have a great day, guys.
All right, thanks. You too.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Okay, bye.